CHG Healthcare is a healthcare staffing agency. We created the industry of locum tenens over 40 years ago. And locum tenens is for traveling doctors or physicians for temporary staffing. Quick elevator pitch to understand is if you can imagine a hospital losing one of their specialists, they can't just turn patients away. And so they look for temporary staffing in order to fill that need. And that's where locum tenens and CHG Healthcare comes in. So we've been on J.D. Edwards for a long time, close to 40 years. And using that tool for what we do as a healthcare staffing agency, typically that tool has been used for manufacturing. And so to do it, we've had to create custom fields and custom things in there and it's so integrated in all of our other systems. Because we were so customized, we'd created different integrations, we created different fields, we had tweaked the database. It got to the point where Oracle, it was difficult for them to support us. And we were often told, sorry, you're on a different version and we can't support that. And we needed a partner that we could trust that could really understand. We have other vendors that it takes them years to understand our business, and often with turnover within their support personnel, we are constantly re-explaining what our business does and what our business model is. We haven't had that with Rimini Street. Our experience has been that they truly have a deep bench of folks with high skills, high professionalism that really care. And they've jumped in, they've asked questions to understand the business. They help us make decisions and have actually helped us fine-tune our JDE infrastructure in order to meet the needs of the business at a higher level. Oftentimes we're following their recommendations with things that we implemented 20, 30 years ago that at the time were great ideas. As things have evolved, we've had to change and adapt, and a lot of that has been through the advice of Rimini Street, and it's led to great success. As we've expanded technology and our technology stack at CHG, we've been able to grow, which means it increases complexity across the organization. Because of that, we've looked for ways that we can reduce our spend as well as increase the experience for our employees, which often means we go through application rationalization efforts to make sure we only have one or two solutions to solve a problem. Finally, a couple of years ago, decided that we were going to move to Workday. And Rimini Street's been a great partner to help us move in that direction and make sure that we maintain our data as well as move in a methodical way so that we could keep business running.